morning. Thank you for calling the Business Hotel. I'm Princess speaking. How may I help you?
I'd like to reserve a room at your hotel.
When would you like to make this reservation and what type of room do you prefer?
I'm making the reservation for 4 people from September 1 to September 8. And may I ask what type of rooms do you have?
Yes, of course. We have a standard room and deluxe room and a 6 and residential suite available on the street.
This is the executive suite can take 4 people.
Yes, certainly we could put 2 rooms in the room to accommodate all of you.
Alright, so what are your rates for the executive suites?
Our current rates for the executive suite are 4,150 per night. Breakfast is included.
What types of breakfast are you serving?
We're serving Filipino breakfast from Manipulating and American breakfast from Thursday to Sunday.
Okay,
Some information regarding your reservation. May I ask for the name of and contact number of participants?
it's Catalina Izama and it's 0996053128.
Let me spell your name, ma'am. P for Papa, H for Hotel, O for Oscar, E for Echo, B for Bravo, C for Echo, I for your last name, M for Mark, E for Alpha, I for India, Z for Zebra, T for Alpha, N for November, O for Oscar. Did I get your name right?
Yes, that's correct.
Can I also give your contact address and MMFA is my channel?
It's 24 Aromas San Fabian and my email address is myzanagabi@gmail.com.
Alright, number total will be 33,200. Would you like to carry?
You I'll be paying in cash upfront.
Alright, Miss Marizana, your reservation has been made from the 1st of September to 8th of September for an executive suite for 4 people. Check-in is at 2 p.m. Please inform us ahead of time. If you will be late for checking in, if you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to message or call us.
Alright, thank you so much.
It's our honor to serve you, Miss Maizano. We'll see you in September. Thank you for calling me and have a great day.